there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanji. In today's video, we are going to learn the colors in Chinese. Before we start the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. I upload new videos every single week. By the end of this video, you will be able to say different colors in Chinese. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with my favorite color, 黑色。黑色，黑色。这支笔是黑色的。这支笔是黑色的。The color white in Chinese is 白色，白色。Second tone， 纸是白色的，纸是白色的。Next one we have blue， 蓝色，蓝色，蓝色。There are different types of blue.If you want to say deep blue, that is 深蓝色，深蓝色。And if you want to say light blue, 浅蓝色，浅蓝色。So here, 深 means deep. 深 it can be used to describe a darker color. On the contrary, 浅 means light. It can be used to describe a lighter color.Here's the example sentence. 我喜欢蓝天。我喜欢蓝天。蓝天 means blue sky. 蓝天。Let's move on to the next color, red. 红色，红色。Scarlet, 深红色，深红色。As I mentioned earlier, 深 can be described a darker color. Light red, 浅红色。浅红色。你喜欢红色的玫瑰吗？你喜欢红色的玫瑰吗？ Do you like red roses? Next one we have color green, 绿色，绿色。And of course we have several types of color green. Dark green, 深绿色，深绿色。Light green, 浅绿色。浅绿色。Let's see the example sentence. 这些树是绿色的。这些树是绿色的。The trees are green. Next color is gray, 灰色，灰色。这只猫是灰色的。这只猫是灰色的。Next color we have yellow, 黄色，黄色。这个背景墙是黄色。这个背景墙是黄色。A lot of girls love this color for sure. Pink, 粉红色，粉红色。这个女士穿着粉红色的连衣裙。这个女士穿着粉红色的连衣裙。Rose red, 玫红色，玫红色。Purple, 紫色，紫色。葡萄是紫色的。葡萄是紫色的。葡萄 means grapes. 橙色，橙色。橙子的颜色是橙色。橙子的颜色是橙色。Okay, last color is brown, 棕色，棕色。你喜欢棕色的鞋吗？你喜欢棕色的鞋吗？ Multicolor, 彩色，彩色。Now let's move on to the example sentences. 你喜欢什么颜色？你喜欢什么颜色？我喜欢红色。我喜欢红色。你最喜欢的颜色是什么？你最喜欢的颜色是什么？最喜欢 here means favorite. 颜色，颜色。我最喜欢的颜色是黑色。我最喜欢的颜色是黑色。你喜欢白色吗？你喜欢白色吗？
我不喜欢白色。我不喜欢白色。我讨厌白色。我讨厌白色。
Alright, that's all for today's video. I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next one. Bye, 再见。